Okay, this is the second time today, but there's a reason why I'm coming back for this here. Just got something in the mail from Amazon. And it's I think I can pull this apart. Okay. This is a steelbook. This is the BOONDOCK Saints 2 All Saints Day. And yeah, they had a special on it. Of course, I found that special, and it was very inexpensive. I was like surprised to see that it was only like $7.99 for this steelbook. So you know, Amazon has these days where they have things on sale for, you know, like one day, and like, you know, I try to basically check these places out that have them on sale for one day real cheap, under $10. Here on the back, is this a, no, it's not a permanent thing, but this is the back with some information. See if I can get the glare out. A lot of people say this is horrible, but well, you know, to each his own. I think they got some good people in this, and that's what really caught my eye. And take the plastic off, and you have this cool picture of them with these guns. It's just very cool. The two of them together there. Then on the sides, the BOONDOCK Saints 2 All Saints Day. My second steelbook. There's art in the inside. They're over here posing again, and I'm thinking if I lift this up, there's more art on the other side. This is All Saints Day. Let me see if I can get this out. Oh, they really got a number in here. It's hard to get out. I would have to, you know, have my hands pressed down. But down here is the Blu-ray. If I could turn that around. Down on the bottom here is the, I'm sure, is Blu-ray. it's really, I'm surprised to see this in here like this. Couldn't get that off for you guys because of the way I'm handling this right now. But if I'm sure on the other side they have something, there's art all the way through, which is really, I really love when they have art inside of the book. You know, it really adds something to it, considering the nice art on the front, and then the nice art on the back. Even the sides are done very nicely. Then having, you know, I did the Boondock Saints this morning, and now I'm showing you this lovely steelbook, which I think is just absolutely great. Like I said, I'm not going to mess with the let me turn this around like this for you so you can see the back. See you later.